Section 5.5.8, Indeterminate Sentencing. Hello, I'm Dr. Adam McKee, and today we're going to explore the concept of indeterminate sentencing, straight from my book, Criminal Justice, an overview of the system. We'll break down what indeterminate sentencing is, how it works, and why it's both praised and criticized. So, let's get started. Indeterminate sentencing is a type of criminal sentencing where the convict isn't given a fixed prison term. Instead, they're given a range, like 5 to 10 years, and the actual time they spend in prison depends on their behavior while incarcerated. This system is sometimes called the parole board model, because a parole board decides the release date based on the offender's progress and behavior in prison. The idea behind indeterminate sentencing is to allow for more flexibility and focus on rehabilitation. It acknowledges that people can change and improve themselves over time. If an offender shows good behavior, participates in rehabilitation programs, and demonstrates they've changed, they might be released earlier than the maximum sentence. Conversely, if they don't show progress or continue to pose a risk, they could serve closer to the maximum time. For example, imagine someone is sentenced to 5 to 10 years for a crime. If they behave well, follow the rules, and take part in programs that help them rehabilitate, the parole board might decide to release them after 5 years. But if they get into trouble or don't show any signs of improvement, they might stay in prison for the full 10 years. Indeterminate sentencing aims to motivate offenders to improve themselves and to give them a second chance based on their rehabilitation. However, this system has its share of critics. One major criticism is the lack of transparency and consistency. Since parole boards have a lot of discretion, similar offenders can end up serving very different lengths of time based on subjective decisions. This can seem unfair and lead to a lack of trust in the system. Another issue is the power it gives to parole boards. They have significant control over an offender's release date, which can lead to concerns about accountability and fairness. Because of these concerns, some jurisdictions have moved away from indeterminate sentencing in favor of determinate sentencing. Determinate sentencing involves fixed prison terms based on the specific offense committed, which can lead to more predictable and consistent outcomes. Despite these criticisms, indeterminate sentencing remains a key part of the justice system in some areas. It's designed to focus on rehabilitation and give offenders a chance to earn their way back into society. This flexibility can be beneficial in cases where offenders show genuine improvement and readiness to reintegrate into the community. In summary, indeterminate sentencing offers a range of potential sentence lengths, allowing the actual time served to depend on the offender's behavior and progress. It's intended to provide flexibility and encourage rehabilitation, but faces criticism for its lack of transparency and consistency. Whether jurisdictions choose indeterminate or determinate sentencing, the goal is to balance justice, fairness, and the possibility of rehabilitation. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding of indeterminate sentencing. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and help answer any more questions you might have about the justice system. Thanks for watching.